Have you ever wondered what it would be like to take a culinary tour through Italy without leaving your kitchen? What if you could savor the essence of Italian culture bite by bite? Well, today we're diving deep into Italy's culinary treasure chest, uncovering the 10 must-try dishes that will make your taste buds dance and your heart crave an Italian getaway. Whether you're a food lover, a traveler, or someone simply curious about Italy, this video will take you on a journey you'll never forget. Welcome to Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to traveling smart and discovering the hidden gems of Europe. And of course, we've got more than just travel tips. We're here to bring Italy's best straight to your plate. Number 1, Naples, Pizza Margarita. We begin our journey in Naples, the birthplace of the world's most famous pizza, Pizza Margarita. This dish is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of Italian pride, simplicity, and authenticity. The bright green basil, creamy white buffalo mozzarella, and vibrant red San Marzano tomatoes mirror the colors of the Italian flag. And the secret to its perfection? A wood-fired oven that crisps the thin crust just enough to give it a slight char while keeping it light and airy. The result? A pizza that's both simple and unforgettable. But let's be honest, if you haven't had a margarita in Naples, have you really had pizza? This dish redefines what pizza is supposed to be. And trust me, after one bite, you'll see why this humble creation has taken the world by storm. So, when you're in Naples, do yourself a favor, skip the fancy toppings and savor the original masterpiece. Number 2, Rome, Spaghetti Carbonara. Next, we travel to the eternal city, Rome. Here, we're diving into one of the most debated dishes in Italian cuisine, Spaghetti Carbonara. This creamy pasta dish is deceptively simple, yet the flavors are incredibly rich. Made with guanciale, that's pork cheek, not bacon, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper, carbonara is a dish that challenges your cooking skills but rewards you with one of the most delicious plates of pasta you'll ever eat. The key to a perfect carbonara is timing. Mix the eggs off the heat to avoid scrambling them, and always save a splash of that precious pasta water to help create a silky sauce. And remember, no cream allowed. A true Roman carbonara relies on the richness of the eggs and cheese to create its signature texture. Once you've mastered this dish, you'll feel like you've unlocked a secret door into Roman culinary heaven. Number 3, Emilia Romagna, Lasagna. Our next stop takes us to the culinary heart of Italy, Emilia Romagna, home to one of the world's ultimate comfort foods, lasagna. But this isn't your average lasagna. It's a dish crafted with layers of delicate spinach-infused pasta sheets, a slow-cooked meat ragu, and a rich, creamy bechamel sauce. This version of lasagna is truly a labor of love, made the way it's been done for generations in Emilia-Romagna. Each bite of lasagna is like a symphony of flavors. The savory meat sauce, the creamy bechamel, and the tender pasta create the perfect balance. It's the kind of dish that brings families together, passed down through generations with love and care. And if you've never tried authentic Italian lasagna, you're missing out on a true culinary masterpiece. Number 4, Bologna Tortellini in brodo. We stay in Emilia-Romagna, but this time, we're in Bologna for a dish that warms both body and soul, tortellini in brodo. Tortellini are tiny pasta filled with a mix of meat, cheese, and a hint of nutmeg, all served in a rich, flavorful broth. According to legend, tortellini were inspired by the goddess Venus's navel, and once you taste them, you'll understand the romantic allure. This dish is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a chilly day when you need something to wrap you in warmth. The broth, often made from scratch, is a testament to the deep culinary traditions of Bologna. So, if you ever find yourself wandering the streets of this city, make sure to grab a bowl of tortellini in brodo. You'll feel like you're being embraced by Italy itself. By the way, if you're looking to plan your next trip to Italy or just want to explore the best travel tips for Europe, make sure to visit our website at eurotriphacks.com. We have everything from trip ideas, destinations, and even a shop where you can find travel essentials like bags and pillows. Check it out! Number 5, Milan Risotto alla Milanese. Next, we head to the fashion capital of Italy, Milan, where luxury is part of everyday life, even in the food. Here, we find risotto alla Milanese, a dish that gets its vibrant golden color from the most expensive spice in the world, saffron. Each spoonful of this creamy rice dish is rich, smooth, and oh so decadent. The secret to this dish lies in its preparation. Patience is key as you slowly add ladle after ladle of broth, letting the rice absorb the flavors bit by bit. Risotto alla Milanese is traditionally served with ossobuco, another Milanese classic, creating a meal that feels both indulgent and comforting. It's the perfect dish to savor, especially when paired with a glass of local wine. Number 6. Sicily Arancini. Now we fly down to Sicily, where street food is practically an art form. And when it comes to Sicilian street food, nothing beats arancini. These golden fried rice balls are stuffed with a variety of fillings, from savory meat ragu to gooey mozzarella and peas. Each bite is a crispy, crunchy, cheesy explosion of flavor. In Sicily, arancini are more than just a snack. They're a tradition. In some regions, like Catania, they even shape the arancini like the famous Mount Etna. Whether you grab them from a street vendor or enjoy them at a family feast, arancini are a must-try for anyone visiting the island. They capture the spirit of Sicilian cuisine: bold, flavorful, and always satisfying. Number 7. Tuscany Fiorentina steak, calling all meat lovers. Tuscany is home to the legendary bistecca alla Fiorentina, a massive bone-in T-bone steak that's grilled to perfection over an open flame. The meat is seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and olive oil, letting the bold, beefy flavor of the Chianina cattle shine through. Traditionally served rare, this steak is more than just a meal, it's an experience. Picture yourself sitting at a rustic Tuscan trattoria, enjoying this juicy, flavorful steak with a glass of Chianti wine in hand. It's the kind of meal that stays with you long after the last bite, a true celebration of Tuscany's rustic yet refined culinary traditions. Number 8. Milan Osuko. Back to Milan, we find ourselves indulging in ossobuco, a dish that defines comfort food. Ossobuco is a veal shank, slow braised in broth, white wine, and vegetables until the meat is so tender it falls off the bone. But the real star here is the bone marrow, rich, buttery, and oh so satisfying. Traditionally served with risotto alla Milanese, this dish is perfect for a cozy evening. It's hearty, flavorful, and exactly what you need to feel at home in Milan. If you're ever in the city, this is one dish you simply cannot miss. Number 9. Venice Gnocchi. In the magical city of Venice, we find gnocchi, soft potato dumplings that are the perfect base for a variety of sauces. Whether you pair them with a rich meat ragu or something lighter like butter and sage, gnocchi are always a hit. These pillowy dumplings are a Venetian favorite, often served at local trattorias along the picturesque canals. And when made fresh, they're like little clouds that melt in your mouth. So, as you drift through Venice, make sure to take a break and enjoy a plate of gnocchi. Trust me, you won't regret it. Number 10. Liguria Pisto Al Genoas. Our final stop is the coastal region of Liguria, where we encounter one of Italy's most famous sauces, Pisto Al Genoas. Made with fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, this bright green sauce is a true flavor explosion. Pesto is best served with trophy, a short, twisted pasta that perfectly holds onto the sauce. Every bite brings a burst of freshness, capturing the essence of Liguria's Mediterranean coast. Whether you're enjoying it by the sea or at home, Pesto alla Genovese is a dish that's always worth savoring. And there you have it, 10 dishes that define Italy's rich culinary landscape. From the streets of Naples to the rolling hills of Tuscany, these dishes tell the stories of tradition, passion, and the love Italians pour into their food. Which dish are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Plus, make sure to visit eurotriphacks.com for more travel tips and ideas for your next European adventure. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.